people of Kenya were historically, considered hunters and gatherers.
When was that?
Oh, well, the Tene. Because I think that was the migration era. Oh, Gania.
Hunters and gatherers.
We still are, but in modern ways.
Tukiuma Congo forest.
Yes. And no kore ru thiko cia mata migrate animals. So andu okuo hakiri umuthi. Because we need to retrace our steps. So manya no waugire tume gogo kura rwiro gweta gwatia.
Goma.
Yes. Because that is where Kikuyus used to be.
Indira kuwira kundu kuu nikuo twari.
Yes.
Indua kandu matiakimenyetie thahabu.
Yes.
Tugitiga thahabu tugiukana guku.
Mundu mwe akiarahuka akigucia kibore giake.
Watigire thahabu na mahiga ma goro kuu.
Tuga kwenja shangi. Never mind. Oro wa hunting and gathering ni. Edwathirire tene. Especially the millennials to hear. In our young years, we were hunters
and gatherers.
I think we are the last of that generation.
Things have changed.
We had dogs that were like a pack of wolves.
No, actually,
yes.
Yes. And it was communal.
And that was one of the few rare instances. You would have a delicacy called meat. A game meat. As your mind, they should have been taken to the elite GSU.
No, man,
yes.
Yes. Woe unto you. If there is an adult around,
they will do something called compulsory acquisition. Sell out. The demagogues would literally take your hand. Twanana tijio ore ona kanyo tukanyita mirothia gatunya. Yes. Well, boko nado.
They wouldn't.
Na magogo. Magogo matiare yao. Understand mundu wanakiru mau anekiru rotahiti.
Nagetiheaga.
Understand ugitharu kiria thufuri. Nita quinine. Na asia malaria cia quinine. So, hunting and gathering, the millennials are the last of that calling. Yes. Na gwoka rau ne gathering ri ni ha matunda.
Hau niho gathering yokagira.
Amwe itu ni tutuirie ndodio cia the quest for fruits. Amwe itu ona mana thie thibitari makandikirwo malaria 10. Hothete hari mbogi asampo itunda mona ithaka muno mutito kana ne fit for
human consumption.
Yes. Makauga wambe urie maku observe makona wa develop a very pale bluish color.
Hey, nyamutiriega.
Karaoke. Yoratuona.
Yona marundu.
Kaire twambata. We hotha as a guinea pig. It's like donating yourself to science for research. Roma kinene. Kauga gaikina sukari. Watwaro kwa movie yari ugatuka kirio riire ri is very poisonous ona ne mwathani wakinya
thibitari
leo mbogi ka blacklist ke
itunda riu
and there are things you would sample and nothing happens. Mako observe mathaa meri mana matatu
makona urio sawa
makona ni wari aringi makauga ikue.
If we die, we die.
it was very rare kugia na nowadays you ukora na rugongo ri tu ni magura matunda they even fruit markets rugongo.
No, actually fruit business is a big business.
Tene rugongo, the only time you would find people vending fruits ni after church. And they were neither here nor there. Muno ni meru.
Na ti meru maya highly perishable.
Hapana, ni mitore. Yes.
Irigure guikaranga ringigathuka.
Yes. Away from that, the only way you would get fruits, vitamin is by stealing.
Hau muno.
Yes.
Hau muno.
Tondu kwi micii nayo ya matunda wega.
Matunda kuria metikira ri ni metikiraga.
Kwaja takwa aria metagwo itang'ari ni wonaga rurio rwa passion maruthiete na mubariti wothe nginya iguru.
Mama ni passion iciirireirio guo kai. Na macoke mekire rugiri rwina kaiyafa
na thiringi na maige ngui ndoro gukira hitira. No, you would wow. And it would not take long before you plan a calculated haste. You see, kwa nyuma matunda manyu ri itoeka hii ni patience gutakoragwo ri mwina thina ni magataga maundu kwa nyuma ko me maruru.
Passion heka undu yagagatagira micii
Mutare kana muginya shaitani amutumagira wagatua matunda. Wagaterwo ovyo.
Kwanyu passion ni aga kugia cukari.
Wakiro ma passion na no nejirireru. Okamero moka igwa matoma hinguka.
Nginya ukaigua ngato ciake.
No cia kuria kwandanga. Mamwero ya mukora they ona matie na wira wa mu. Yes. Kana wakwa kundu kuhanditwo 3 tomato. Itunda ri na nagio ria ki?
Ria thakame.
Yes. Kana ringi rwongo rwa utu twita ndunda cia githungu.
Ria githungu ni ririku?
Ni ta passion. No waria turari. Ndungireria gradually. Wagucia ri ukari othe kanua.
Wito ritagwo ria nyoro.
Riu. Ukuna manim ayeru.
Meruhite.
Niwe ka kindu gitagwo an analysis. A trajectory mo kana master plan. Mukamenya ngui ikomaga haria. Yes. Ige hiyo koguo at a speed. A trajectory of 60 miles per hour. Ngui kiwa ciarahuke ndi mutike.
Ndi muti iguru.
Yes. Ho na igekuga.
Igekugaga. Na njoke ndundire mihuko.
Yes. Njoke ucia boeka tondu ngui nacio ni cia kugagira kihi cikorania what are we doing. Cigacoka toro. That is your chance. Woe unto you. Okoro hindi ria wacomoka muti iguru. Ugithiro giri-ini sati enyitwo ni thiringi. Na ngui cia gicagia I think they were all from hell. Ciarumanya ma thirikari. Ayu akwa rehania cindano yake
ngui.
No. Amwe ito wana cuoka ndwe matunda haria meruagira ri ni haria honge ciceke he
icekeheire
gacumbi
muti gacumbiri.
Yes. Ugathi ukaigua kauga kamwire kekekeri ni ukonda gucia ruri o njuke namo mwai wake igifurite muti. Aya mauma nao ri aria megutumite emisari ri hui
makaigirira ndira ciane ta koimburi.
Kwaja kwe micii mwathia mukona mama. You know the sweet bananas twitagwo atia? The small sweet ones. Gaka weka horo wega.
Gacukari kana?
Yes, kau. It's another name. Wakiria.
Wangae.
Kau. Mukona matucuhite. Twiruweire iguru. Yes. Mukauga maguku. Tuguko tuku. Yes.
Tu. Tukigerio ni nyoni twirore.
Pana. Yes. Na no ndungehotire kuhamba riu mo kiria muramba ni uthi muti iguru utume na iguru
ume na iguru
yes uthire aerial tactical approach
ta paraturupa
yes na mavavai kwi micie mavavai meruagira iguru no mwina thina ayu andu morani makauga atiri uyu kora wi wa njamba even wonder what male fruits are doing
in your place.
Udwavia moko na mavavai yellow yes mukabuya guku and you know we used to be professional pole climber nuona nakoni hizo ndo giro kwa power tikiyothagira kiria nyamo ici mambata nacio
Gavata agicanuri
wakinyita mutu hi dai kana nuthu ni ugoithetie matatu
no kiambata no urehuga ndugakorwo ni uronwo
and you know the unfortunate thing ya kwa iba mutiri the higher you go the more visible
no guore itanira itura
no guora tuika riu vantage ya uhana riu transmitter
no ciawe iguru
na rimwe ni wa makaga ukaigua kuorio uguo gatire and you see rimwe andu nao mari very mari entitlement very petty things niona mundu aiguikiria banga iguru regio ndunda ukarigo usually
rohio
you want to eliminate me from the physical plane of the earth
yodo wa matunda
ma ngai
kindu gia kuria waja
ni ungeiguira weke he wacuhukaga ukaya na tactical landing
o hari urigwa
na ni uthiete
andu mo matoirie ire mamaguru
no we are still licking wounds gatire
umoka ho
uma gugie maya abara kia banga
era na 46